Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I am going to show you some vintage chic inspired home interior decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Vintage chic home interior decor is a decorating style that combines the charm and character of vintage pieces with a clean, elegant, and comfortable modern look. It feels timeless, cozy, and refined without looking outdated or cluttered. Here are some timeless vintage chic home interior decorating tips that would work well for your dream home. Let every piece tell a story. Instead of filling every corner, choose decor with history or sentimental value. A thoughtfully curated room feels more authentic than one filled with random decorations. Mix different wood tones. Don't worry about matching every wood finish. Combining light, medium, and dark woods creates a collected over time look. Add a cozy reading corner. Place a comfortable armchair beside a small side table, a vintage lamp, and a stack of favorite books. Use decorative baskets. Open baskets are perfect for storing blankets, magazines, or pillows, while adding rustic charm. Display everyday items beautifully. Arrange ceramic dishes, glass jars, teapots, and pitchers on open shelves instead of hiding them in cabinets. Choose timeless patterns. Florals, subtle stripes, gingham, and delicate checks add vintage appeal without feeling overwhelming. Layer your bedding. Combine quilts, embroidered pillows, linen sheets, and knitted throws for a soft, inviting bedroom. Use soft window treatments. Linen or lace curtains let in natural light while enhancing the romantic vintage look. Create a small decorative vignettes. Style trays with candles, books, flowers, and small decorative objects to give tables and shelves a polished appearance. Keep storage beautiful. Choose vintage cabinets, wooden crates, or wicker baskets that are both practical and decorative. Celebrate imperfections. Small scratches, worn paint, and aged finishes give vintage pieces their unique charm and authenticity. Style your coffee table with layers. Stick a few vintage books. Add a candle, a ceramic vase with flowers, and a decorative tray for an elegant, curated look. Mix and match dining chairs. Instead of using identical chairs, combine complementary vintage styles for a charming, collected over time feel. Decorate the fireplace mantle. Layer an antique mirror with candle holders, framed artwork, and a few small vintage treasures. Use decorative trays. Group candles, perfume bottles, small plants, or seasonal decorations on trays to keep surfaces organized and beautiful. Add antique-inspired hardware. Replace plain cabinet knobs and drawer pulls with brass, porcelain, or edged bronze hardware. Choose handmade accessories. Display hand-woven baskets, embroidered linens, crocheted towels, or handcrafted pottery for extra warmth and character. Incorporate glass and crystal. Crystal vases, glass jars, and vintage glassware reflect light and add timeless elegance. Keep decorations balanced. Mix larger statement pieces with smaller accessories to create a harmonious arrangement. Display beautiful linens, fold vintage tablecloths, lace runners, or embroidered napkins in visible places to enhance the home's charm. Highlight architectural details. If your home has exposed beams, crown molding, or arched doorways, keep them as focal points rather than covering them. Let natural light shine. Keep windows uncluttered so sunlight enhances the soft colors and textures throughout the room. Layer area rugs. Place a smaller vintage-style rug over a larger natural fiber rug to create depth and texture. Display copper and brass kitchenware. Hang copper pots or display brass utensils on open shelves to add warmth and old-world charm. Decorate with white ceramics. White pitchers, bowls, and vases look timeless and pair beautifully with wood and greenery. Use linen table runners. A simple linen runner instantly makes a dining table feel relaxed and refined. Add fresh scents. Use candles or diffusers with lavender, rose, vanilla, or cedar fragrances to enhance the cozy vintage atmosphere. Include oven textures. Rattan chairs, wicker baskets, and oven trays bring warmth and natural character to every room. Keep color accents gentle. If adding color, choose muted shades like dusty rose, olive green, faded blue, or warm terracotta instead of bright, bold tones. Use elegant storage. Store everyday items in decorative wooden boxes, wicker baskets, or vintage trunks that double as decor. Make comfort a priority. The most beautiful vintage homes are also comfortable. Soft cushions, cozy throws, warm lighting, and welcoming seating make the space enjoyable every day. Display antique china. Showcase vintage plates, teacups, and serving bowls in a glass cabinet or on open shelves to add timeless elegance. Use dried flowers. Decorate with dried lavender, eucalyptus, wheat, or baby's breath for long-lasting natural beauty. Add lace details. Incorporate lace runners, pillow covers, or curtains to give the room a delicate vintage touch. Decorate with vintage clocks. A classic wall clock or mantel clock can become a beautiful focal point. Keep materials consistent. Use mostly brushed, antique bronze, or edged gold finishes throughout the room for a cohesive look. Incorporate handmade pieces, handcrafted pottery, crocheted blankets, embroidered cushions, or oven baskets add authenticity and warmth. Style a sideboard. Decorate a sideboard with a table lamp, stacked books, candles, flowers, and a framed artwork for an elegant display. Choose soft, warm lighting. Warm white bulbs make vintage wood tones, fabrics, and brush accents feel even more inviting. Use natural greenery, olive branches, eucalyptus, ivy, or ferns add freshness without overpowering the vintage style. Create a collected, not perfect look. The beauty of vintage chic comes from mixing meaningful pieces gathered over time. Thanks for watching the video.